gives a lot of benefits for Acehnese. Not only the people, also our land, and many aspects, I think. I would like to refer back to the tourism in Aceh, tourism industry in Aceh a few years ago, before tsunami or during conflict. Aceh tourism was very unpopular. Not many people know Aceh, only a few people, and most of them, as far as I know, they are scientists or researchers come here to want to research something about Aceh, about the Acehnese language. I read an article or a research from a professor from Australia. He researched about Acehnese language. So he is a tourist. He came to Aceh many years ago, I think 20-30 years ago, to learn or to study about Acehnese language for his thesis maybe, or his dissertation. And at the time, Acehnese tourism very identical to conventional tourism. That is what I learned from my teacher, Mr. Fadlan. He taught me about conventional tourism. At the time, Aceh, many people came to Aceh to enjoy 3S. That is
Sun, sex.
Sun and sex was very is a conventional tourism, and it is popular with Western people, as they enjoy their beach in their country. So once they went to other countries, and like Southeast Asia, they thought that Southeast Asia, Indonesia, cheap. They can go here. They can stay here longer than in Europe or other countries, and they want to make tourism in Aceh the way they want to live, the way they want it to be. Not they don't obey Acehnese rules, traditions,
Honor, respect,
customs. They disrespect our
dishonor.
traditions at the time, and it is also because of the local people who are naughty or
Naughty.
bad people in Aceh as well. It is impossible for tourists or foreigners to come to Aceh and do that whatever they want. It is impossible, except there are a bunch of bad people, a bunch of bad guys,
Yes.
bad guys who came here, who allocate or accommodate the tourist needs, the Western people's needs. They want conventional tourism. They want 3S. Some local support them in exchange of money.
Allah.
They pay a lot of money, but the local will protect their stay here, during their stay here, in a particular spot, maybe in a hidden spot that not many people come there, but only the local, only a few locals that protect them now, and some foreigners to come here to enjoy the 3S that I said. And there is a dichotomy, like Mr. Fadlan said, dichotomy in tourism industry in Aceh. Some people want to Aceh tourism to be halal tourism, but some disprove halal tourism. They want conventional tourism, like Westerners want
Surfing
and
preserving.
without preserving our tradition, our customs. nature. It is important to preserve our nature, to conserve the nature, culture, tradition. But always, and I think it is always will always happen anywhere around the world. The struggle or the competition between evil and good. Good people want to make halal tourism. Evil people want to make haram tourism or forbidden tourism. That is against Islamic tradition, Islamic laws, Islamic Sharia, and I think tourism in Aceh can develop very rapidly if we can take advantage of halal tourism. Like a few provinces in Indonesia has already started halal tourism, like Lombok and Padang, because they were not distracted by conflict. Aceh is long distracted by conflict, by tsunami as well. That makes Aceh slow to grow. So now Acehnese become more aware, more conscious of what we are capable of, what strengths we have. We have so many strengths that we can show to the world about our disaster risk management, about our history in the past, about our sultanate, about the kingdom of Aceh, and about our long-standing, long-established tradition held before Islam, Hinduism, and then after the coming of Islam to Aceh, and also about our culinary cuisine. We have one of the best cuisine around the world, that whenever they come to Aceh, they feel their tongue very, their tongue dancing. Dancing tongue. Their tongue
goyang lidahnya.
That's what
Tongue dancing.
we can promote about our
bottom dancing.
culinary. That's all. And we have to be aware what can we do, who we are. We are Acehnese. We are our blood runs in our blood. In our blood runs the blood of hero, blood of kings, blood of warrior. Yeah, I think that's
Muslim
all.
scholar.
Muslim scholar. I think in conclusion we can really benefit a lot. But the main thing is we need to we need to be strict on Sharia, on Islam and tradition in Aceh. That's all from me. Thank you very much.